Busan, Korea's coastal city that feels calm but alive at the same time. Daejeongdae, cliffs, waves, and a lighthouse overlooking the deep blue. Perfect spot for slow mornings. Haeundae Beach, soft waves, wide shoreline, and peaceful walks kahit touristy. Another quiet beach spot, perfect for unwinding, listening to waves, and just breathing. Gwangan-daegu Bridge, stunning day and night, one of Busan's best views, lalo na pag may lights. Democracy Park, calm green spaces in the middle of the busy city. Busan by day, a mix of mountains, beaches, and city life. Busan by night, skyscrapers, bridge lights, and a soft ocean breeze. If you want a coastal city with soul, Busan is waiting. Follow for more calm travel vibes.